Hey, my name is Dan Delrose. I'm a dentist here in Ellington, Florida. Welcome to my practice. Our practice focuses a lot on implant and full arch dentistry. January of 2020, the state of Florida really suspended the way we could use narcotics. Doing a lot of full arch, that sort of concerned me. A colleague up in Trinity, Florida had told me about StellaLife, and it really has changed the way I practice dentistry and do my surgeries. And very rarely do I ever use a narcotic anymore because of StellaLife. My favorite two products are up here on the shelf. This is called Recovery. It's 3 different StellaLife products that the patient starts using 3 days before surgery. That could be full arch, it could be wisdom teeth, whatever. It decreases inflammation, it helps healing. The day of surgery, they stop it, and then the next 4 days, they finish up the 3 products. But the product that really amazes me, even to this day, we had a huge surgery this morning where we placed 7 implants in the maxillary, and we built bone horizontally and vertically, probably 3 millimeters in both directions, is the Stella Gel. We'll do our surgery, we sew them up, we put a little Stella Gel on the 2x2, we put it on the tissues for about 20 minutes. You come back in, you would swear the surgery was done 2 days ago. It's amazing how this accelerates the healing. A gentleman yesterday, we took out surgically 8 out of his 14 teeth on the bottom. He came in today, no discomfort, no anything, because he had started the Stella Recovery 3 days before the surgery, and it would just blow your mind that all I'm giving is an antibiotic and an anti-inflammatory. I highly recommend StellaLife and all its products for you and your patients.